Hey guys, I have a quick video for you. These are some of my favorite weapons, and so as I'm going through my stuff, picking out some of my favorite weapons. Check out these nectarines. We have a nectarine tree in the backyard, so we're just out here picking nectarines and figured I'd put together a video. Anyways, let's get to it. It's taken us a while to settle in, but I'm finally able to go through my collection and start sorting things. I figured I'd share some of these with you. So these are 21st century toys. Probably some of my favorite shotguns. So I love the way the strap is. That's what I like about 21st century toys is they had the barrels hollowed out so it looks real. This one doesn't have a strap. I think this strap portion broke off, but I can fix that. I'm not sure what this one is. I don't think it's 21st century toys. Might be something else. I think this one's 21st century toys. Yep. I like the pump action ones. So these would look cool in like a backpack holster of some sort. And I always consider like shotguns being part of an adventure team type of weapon because of the versatility. This one I know is 21st century toys. And if it's not, correct me in the comment section. These are cool. I like the shape of these. This is not 21st century toys. I think it's more like MC Toys or Power Team, World Peacekeeper, something like that. This one probably is 21st century toys. Usually the 21st century toys has it written on it somewhere. I really like shotguns. I think they're some of my favorite weapons for adventure team. Like I said, because they could be versatile. I've always liked the M40 grenade launchers. This one is formative. This one is from the formative soldiers of the world. This one actually has a breech that opens up. I think that is really cool. It's one of my favorite grenade launchers. And these two, I'm sure, are some other toy line. Maybe like World Peacekeepers. That's 21st century toys. Kind of interesting that 21st century toys didn't do an open breach like the formative soldiers of the world did. This is since I can't remember it at the time, but this is what this gun is. I usually glue the ammo boxes on these because they fall off so often. I'm not seeing 21st century toys. I wonder if it's Hasbro. It might be. I like it because it has the bipod that folds down. I'll probably glue that on just so it stops falling off. This is one of those they call them 4D puzzles, so it's one of the guns that you get and put together. And I can't remember at the time what it is, but this is what this gun is. Now I have the full set of these, the 21st century toys M60 sets. This is the only one I can find at the moment. I like this shotgun M60 over-under thing. I think they call these the master key or something. And I like this type of ammo box, the round one. These I always consider like an adventure team weapon. Some of these are M1 Grands, and some of them are something else. 21st Century Toys. This one's missing the magazine. I love the details on 21st Century Toys. I love the bolt action there. That's really cool. That's what I always consider these as adventure team weapons. And that's another M1 Grand, I believe. It's like 2 M1 Grands, and then carbines, something like that. Well, thanks for joining me with this quick video, kind of a quick overview of some of my favorite weapons as I go through them and put them away. It's been kind of hot and busy lately, so it's been really hard to get videos out and done. Still working on another video, and hopefully I'll get it done soon. Don't forget to click that like button, share this video if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.